Imagine floating above the solar system, not just above Earth, not above the sun, but above the entire flat disk of planets. Below you, 8 worlds orbit in perfect formation. Above you, nothing, just darkness. Or is it because the solar system you see in textbooks is lying to you? It's shown as a clean flat disk, neat, organized, predictable. But what's above that disk? What's below it? Is it empty space? Hidden planets? Another solar system? Or something much bigger? The truth is, once you leave that flat plane, you enter structures that surround us in every direction. Massive, invisible, and connected to the entire galaxy. And by the end of this video, you'll understand what exists above our solar system, below it, and all around it, why the solar system is flat. First, we need to understand why the solar system is flat at all. About 4.6 billion years ago, everything started as a giant cloud of gas and dust. Then gravity pulled it inward. As the cloud collapsed, it began spinning. And just like spinning pizza dough, the cloud flattened into a disk. At the center, the sun formed. Inside the disk, the planets were born. That's why Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, all orbit in nearly the same plane. This flat region is called the ecliptic plane, but not everything follows it perfectly. Mercury is tilted by 7 degrees. Pluto is tilted by 17 degrees. Some comets come in at 90-degree angles, like needles piercing a vinyl record. But here's the first twist. The solar system itself is tilted. Solar system tilt plus motion. The solar system is tilted about 60 degrees relative to the Milky Way galaxy. That means we're not moving straight through the galaxy. We're cutting across it at an angle. The sun is traveling around the Milky Way at 828,000 kilometers per hour, or 515,000 miles per hour. That's fast enough to go from Earth to the moon in under 30 minutes. Because of that tilt, above the solar system doesn't just mean upward. It actually points partly forward, partly sideways, partly out of the galaxy. And here's something even stranger. In space, there's no real up or down. Astronauts floating in orbit can all be upside down and all be correct. So astronomers define above and below using the ecliptic plane. Now, using that reference, let's go above it. And what we find first surrounds us completely.
The Oort Cloud. The first structure isn't above or below. It's everywhere. The Oort Cloud, a gigantic spherical shell surrounding the entire solar system. Not flat, not disc-shaped, but a cosmic bubble. It begins around 2,000 Australian dollars from the sun and stretches out to 100,000 Australian dollars. For comparison, Neptune equals 30 Australian dollars. Oort Cloud outer edge equals 100,000 Australian dollars. That's nearly 1.5 light years, almost halfway to the nearest star. Inside it, trillions of frozen objects, ice, methane, ammonia, comet cores, leftovers from the birth of the solar system. Billions of years ago, Jupiter and Saturn flung these icy bodies outward. Some escaped forever. Others formed this enormous spherical cloud. We've never seen it directly, but we know it exists because long-period comets come from all directions. Above the solar system, below it, sideways, everywhere. But the Oort Cloud isn't the only thing surrounding us. There's another bubble, closer, and it's protecting Earth right now. The heliosphere plus local interstellar cloud plus local bubble. The sun constantly releases charged particles. This is called the solar wind. It pushes outward in every direction, creating a protective bubble called the heliosphere. This bubble shields the solar system from harmful interstellar radiation. It's not perfectly round. It's shaped like a cosmic teardrop, compressed in front, stretched behind. Because we're moving through the galaxy, the boundary is called the heliopause. Voyager 1 crossed it in 2012. Voyager 2 crossed in 2018. They are now in interstellar space, but still inside the Oort Cloud. And even beyond that, we're traveling through something called the local interstellar cloud, a region of gas and dust between stars. But zoom out even more, and you discover something shocking. The entire solar system is inside a gigantic cosmic cavity. This region is called the local bubble. It's about 1,000 light years wide, and it was carved by at least 15 supernova explosions. These massive stellar explosions pushed gas outward, leaving behind a hollow region, and we're floating inside it. Even more incredible, we entered this bubble about 5 million years ago. Evidence: iron, 60 found in Earth's ocean sediments, a radioactive isotope created only in supernovae. That means exploding stars shape the space around us. And beyond that, above and below the entire Milky Way, is the galactic halo, a massive spherical region containing ancient stars, globular clusters, dark matter. So when you ask, what's above the solar system? The answer is the Oort Cloud, the heliosphere, interstellar clouds, the local bubble, the galactic halo, layer after layer after layer. And here's the final thought. The solar system isn't isolated. It's moving, breathing, traveling through cosmic structures. And on a tiny rock inside all of this, life emerged. So the real question is, how far will it actually go before it finally stops forever? And that is a story for the next video.